Artichoke. Now here's our artichoke, and this variety is called a globe artichoke. To ensure ripeness, make sure that the stem and thorns are firm and not limp. And these are the thorns we'll be removing. Now the best way to remove is to peel them back and twist as you pull them off. We'll continue to remove until we see the flower's inner petals. And yes, artichokes are actually flowers that never got to bloom. We'll remove these petals with our knife, and we want to cut right above the artichoke's base. And by doing so, we reveal the actual choke. Next, take a melon baller or spoon and begin to dig in to remove that furry choke. And I'm making sure to rotate my spoon as I go, and as you can see, there's a lot of choke hiding underneath these petals. Now I'm sure it's apparent by now, but they call it the choke because if you swallow it, it can easily irritate the throat and cause you to choke. Next, with a paring knife, begin to slice off that exterior green skin. We'll then use a lemon wedge to rub on the surface, which will keep the artichoke from oxidizing and turning brown. I'll continue to remove any remaining skin around the base of the artichoke. And I'll use my lemon once again. Next, we'll slice off the bottom of the stem, and here we can see the inner and outer stem. So using a peeler, simply remove the outer stem until you reach the inner stem. You can also use a paring knife like so, which takes a bit more skill. Finally, I'm going to remove these outer petals. And as you can see, there's still a lot more choke hiding underneath. I'll remove this excess choke. And there we have it, only the flesh of the artichoke remaining. I'll run my knife around the edge for presentation purposes. And now we have an artichoke that can be stuffed or poached.